Good evening people. Today I will be showing you how to, attempt to show you how to replace the battery in a 2021 onwards Honda CB125F. So yeah, the battery's just inside here. So I'll show you what tools you need. So you're either going to need a little tool set like this, which I do have, or you can go for some actual tools, which is what I will probably go for. So let's get started. There we go. I've got a couple different size Phillips head screwdrivers. I've also got some gloves because I've got some cuts and stuff on me and I want to try and get them clean, well, keep them clean. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first step you want to do is undo this bolt here, and that should just be a normal Phillips head screwdriver. So we'll get to undoing this. There we go. Once it gets loose, you should be able to just do that by hand. Make sure to keep that somewhere safe. Then this panel should just pop out. Like, obviously it'd be easier if you didn't have panniers on the bike, but this entire panel just pops off like that, and then your battery is just here. Oh, and there's a nut which you need to undo, which I did not know of, so I need to go grab a ratchet, and luckily it's a 10mm because Honda are nice enough to label them. So let's go grab a 10mm ratchet. Okay guys, so I couldn't find my dad's set, so we're back to using mine. But with your ratchet, you just want to undo this bolt here. So let's get to doing that. And like I said, Honda label them so we know it's a 10, thankfully. And it might be a bit tight, very tight, so I'm going to do this one off my GoPro, but hopefully that camera should hopefully catch it. Cool, okay guys, so as you can see, we've got the bolt out, and now this piece is loose. So that should allow you to move out the battery, but first you want to actually disconnect the battery by doing the negative first and then the positive. So let's get back our screwdriver and start to do that. You want to be very careful doing this though, you don't want to lose the screws. So yeah, I'll do the rest of this off camera, like I said. There you go guys, so we've got both the screws out. So now remove the metal piece latch, then you should be able to hopefully just pull out the battery. You might need to just like try and wiggle it out. Might be a bit tough because obviously these are quite it is quite tight in here. Preferably don't drop your battery. And then this is the battery we'll be replacing it with. Hopefully it's a good battery. It's new, so it should hopefully be better than the one that is currently in my bike. So yeah, let's get to installing. There we go. So you basically, with this, you basically just want to be able to try and push it back into the gap. There we go. Now it's in there. You want to like get these and then basically screw back on everything that was on. You get new screws with it, so that's good. So yeah, once again I'm going to do that off camera, and this camera should hopefully catch it.
Fixing your bike.
Yep. New battery.
New battery.
"2,000 years later."
There we go guys, after a while I finally got them attached. I've left off 2 pieces though for the battery charger because I was struggling enough to get this on. But before we do put on the bar, I would recommend testing to see if it actually turns on. Which it does. Does it start? It does start. So now that we know that all of this is good, we can start work on putting this back in. So we literally just put the metal bar in, I'm assuming. And then somehow there we go guys, so got the metal bar in, and now we just do it up with the 10mm. This is probably supposed to be torqued, but I do not know what the torque setting is. So literally just do it hand tight. There we go. Now that battery is not going anywhere. So now the final step is putting the panel back on. And to put the panel back on guys, you basically literally just line up these bits with the like holes, and then obviously the screw goes in there. So yeah, let's do that. Obviously, like I said earlier, this would be easier without having the side panniers on, but hey ho, can't win at everything. So I'll be back when I've done this. There we go guys, the pannier, well, side panel's all back on. The old battery is here. And yeah, it's all done. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me struggle. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.